Oh, gusto mo i-cite ko na? Paano pa yung mukha mo eh? You're not respecting this committee.
Yun nga, Mr. Chair, hindi ko kasi maalala na kinausap ko siya. Basta alam ko, nasa opisina siya, Mr. Chair.
Ayun
And
yung
I
problema.
don't lie, Mr. Chair.
You're not lying, you lie. Just a few minutes ago. Sa harap ko. Are you not lying?
No, Mr. Chair.
Also, Mr. Chairman, with that, I move to cite in contempt. General Wilkins, pasensyahan po tayo dito. I am just asking you.
No
You're
meeting,
still
sir.
denied.
No meeting, Mr. Chair.
With that, Mr. Chairman, I move to cite in contempt former Colonel Leonardo for evading, lying in this committee. Huwag mo kaming burahin dito, Colonel Marcos. If you cannot name it in today's hearing, I will cite you in contempt for lying. Now I move to cite in contempt Captain Albotra for lying in this committee.